Assalamu alaikum kids. Kids learning video script alphabet O. Hello my dear kids. Today we will learn 5 things that start with the letter O. Let's begin and have fun. 1 O for orange. Orange is a sweet and juicy fruit. It is good for our health. 2 O for owl. An owl is a bird. It can see well at night. 3 O for octopus. An octopus lives in the sea. It has 8 arms. 4 O for ox. An ox is a strong animal. It helps farmers in the fields. 5 O for onion. Onion is a vegetable. We use it to cook food. Great job, kids! You have learned 5 things that start with the letter O. Goodbye! See you again. 14.